step 2 of the maintenance video is under this cover here is where this carriage, which you can kind of see maybe a little bit of play in it, definitely down here. So I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this wheel isn't even touching the rail. So there's this bar here. It's exactly like this. This bar has this threaded nut. This nut is just literally for tightening down the wheels on the carriage. So what you do is you just loosen this nut out. You use this one on the bottom. I'm sorry, the video is a little bit off. So you just thread it into the bottom. Once you take this out, it's going to be the exact same procedure. You just put it in the bottom here. There's a threaded hole in this bar right here, okay, and tighten it up, and you do the same thing. Now I'm going to show you what to actually do on the top because it's a little bit easier to see. So these, basically the top bar is like a compression bar and the bottom bar is what holds the actual wheels in place. So I'm not sure, oh, that nut on the end is just for the cover, so don't worry about that. Alright, so the way this works is you loosen this on both sides. And then you snug it down with this. Oh, I loosened the top one, I think. Or the top one was already loose. Yeah, okay, so that's loose. This one was already loose. Anyways, so and then you tighten it down here until all the wheels are in contact. The wheels are up in here, right? So there's this top one, and there's one on each side for the top. So you got one over here and one over here. And I think there's just one in the bottom. Let's see if you can see. Obviously I can't look at the camera right now, but I think that probably shows you what the bottom's like. And that's how you tighten this down. And you want these wheels to be in contact. Like right now let's see if I can, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's a little bit loose, so that's going to create a sloppy cut. So this is the maintenance that the machine needs to do to make sure that it has a good and tight cut. Again, you got the same thing on this side. I've already loosened up, or I've already tightened up this wheel once. This one could be a little bit better. I think I over-tightened that one. And then the same thing on this side. And if you just make sure that all these things are tight, you know, check them periodically, especially if you're getting bad cuts, then we should be good to go.